what is the end goal of all this? Like, to get rich? To make a living doing this? Or
Ladies and gentlemen, today, I stand before you to share a powerful truth that has the potential to transform not only your businesses but also your lives. We live in a time where entrepreneurship and business success are valued more than ever. But amidst the pursuit of profit and material gain, we often overlook the profound connection between spirituality, conscious living, and the power of creation. Today, I invite you to explore this intersection and discover the immense potential it holds for creating purpose-driven ventures. Entrepreneurship, at its core, is an act of creation. It is about bringing something into existence that didn't exist before. And what better way to understand the essence of creation than by delving into our own spiritual nature? In the realm of spirituality, we recognize that we are not merely physical beings, but also beings of energy and consciousness. We are connected to something greater than ourselves, a universal energy or intelligence that permeates everything. When we tap into this spiritual dimension, we open ourselves to a wealth of inspiration, creativity, and intuition. We gain access to a vast reservoir of wisdom that transcends our limited human understanding. By aligning our thoughts and actions with this higher power, we become co-creators with the universe, capable of manifesting extraordinary visions and ideas. But spirituality alone is not enough. Conscious living is the bridge that connects our spiritual nature with our entrepreneurial endeavors. Conscious living means being fully present in each moment, aware of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It means cultivating mindfulness and self-awareness, understanding the impact we have on ourselves, others, and the world around us. When we approach entrepreneurship with conscious living, we infuse our ventures with purpose, integrity, and compassion. We become attuned to the needs and aspirations of our customers, employees, and communities. We prioritize sustainability, ethical practices, and social responsibility. We recognize that success is not measured solely by financial gain but also by the positive impact we create. Entrepreneurship becomes a transformative journey, not just for ourselves but for all those touched by our ventures. Our businesses become vehicles for change, catalysts for growth, and beacons of inspiration. We attract like-minded individuals who share our vision and amplify our collective impact. We create a ripple effect of conscious entrepreneurship that spreads far beyond the boundaries of our ventures. So, my friends, as you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, I urge you to embrace the power of spirituality and conscious living. Let your businesses be guided by a deep sense of purpose, authenticity, and connection. Trust in the wisdom of the universe and your own innate creativity. Remember that true success lies not in what you accumulate, but in the positive change you inspire. In closing, I invite you to pause for a moment and reflect on the profound opportunity before you. By integrating spirituality and conscious living into your entrepreneurial pursuits, you have the power to shape a future that is not only
what is the end goal of all this? Like, to get rich?